This is Best Group, and our project involves the redesigning and reimagination of the Stop AAPI Hate website. The purpose of the Stop AAPI Hate website is to allow people to report and track AAPI hate crimes. This website will serve as a database documenting up-to-date news about the AAPI community and crimes against it. It will serve as a resource for learning more about the AAPI community and for donating to organizations propelling the movement forward. As seen in our need finding, we use methods such as surveys, interviews, and card sorting in order to accrue a wide range of data and feedback on our iterations and prototypes. As you can see, we have our initial sketches for our general ideas, and afterwards we have a paper prototype which includes a more fleshed out and evolved version of our prototypes. A Figma prototype was then created based on our need finding results. We found that a lot of people thought that the reporting form was the most important feature, so we decided to include the report button on the home page. We also found that discussion threads and the tool to parse through videos was less important, and therefore did not include them in our final prototype. Improved ease of navigation and overall organization of the website was also found to be very important from our card sorting results. This is our working prototype, and as you can see, the layout is exactly the same as the Figma. The report button is found in the middle, as well as a blurb on why it's important to report. Afterwards, you can find the news on the bottom, as well as contact information, contact form, and joining the mailing list. The About Us is very similar to the home page, except it shows our team and everything that we've worked on. The map is also super important. As you can see, there are different points that have been populated already, and you can see the description as to what happened as well as a headline on the top. Up next, there's news, where this search bar is functional. However, making it fully functional to parse through our entire page is something that we hope to do with our future developments. We can look through recent news, trending news, and feature news, as well as news outlets that we source from. Resources is similar with the search bar as well as the filters, which is future work that we hope to implement. And of course, all of these sites you can click in and be able to open exactly the site that is there. Um, the donation link as well, you can click in and find all the different donations portals. And finally, the most important part is the report, where we can say, fill in our name, email, whatever you want. And as well as that, we have a way to validate and make sure that it's all filled out. So let's say we use school's address real quick, Rochester, New York, 14627. You can find the headline, so let's say attack at corner store, as well as the type of harassment, and the description of it, attack at corner store at 1 a.m. You can also choose a file to submit any evidence or video that you have. Once you submit, you'll be found to the form submitted page. You can click to return home, and you will see that your submission and report will have been populated into the map. The final aspect of our project was the evaluation. In order to evaluate our website, we conducted 10 user evaluations using a between subjects design with counterbalancing to reduce the ordering effect. We showed each participant the paper prototype, the wireframe, and the original website. While looking through each iteration, we found that users liked the map, history page was a good resource, emphasized the ease of reporting in comparison to the original form, and overall feedback for the site was very positive for our design. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using our website.